Hi, I'm Molly,
And I'm Jess.
and you're at Cooking and Docs, and today we are going to make Christmas sugar cookies. So we are going to be using Betty Crocker sugar cookies. These can be found at any local supermarket.
Yes. First, we are going to preheat the oven to approximately
375 degrees.
second
We have to stir the cookie mix,
into the bowl.
not yet, softened butter, 1 whole stick, and 1 egg. One egg. Now, you stir the mixture until it becomes a dough. You are awful at this. Sometimes you have to get out and dirty when things don't work out how you plan them to. When you have your dough, there are many routes that you can take to finish your cookies. You can take a sheet pan. You can make drop cookies where you take the dough, roll them into a ball, it's on the pan. Or you bring your dough over here. Need some flour, Jessica. You take a little flour, you put it on your surface like so. Put it on your hands. Put it on your rolling pin, on your dough, and you roll out the dough. Take a cutout, place on the dough. Cookie.
Wow, these are actually called dropped. Cookie.
Yeah, so.
Oh, I'll put these on the pan.
Don't burn yourself.
Wait, that was off the pan.
Cooking.
Everything's fine. I do not advise you doing that at home, though.
We're
Just
trying to
indulge.
have
Now wait 5 to 7 minutes.
very thin. No! Casualty. Okay, are they not very good?
No, they're really warm still.
Oh, you think? I feel like, oh no, are they gross? There we go. Oh no, I'm not gonna do them.
A little dry.
Don't say that.
Oh, this is delicious.
Okay.
We're good stuff.
We did a pretty splendid job. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Very easy.
Very fresh, warm, gooey in the middle.
We don't know how to cook it, even we did it, so.
This is Jessica Farrell signing off.
This is Mom Massey. Thank you for watching Cooking at Docs. We'll see you next time.